Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Intercom for customer messaging setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing Intercom for your customer messaging setup, first, log into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu on the lower left corner of the screen. In the settings section, look for the Messenger tab and click on it. Within the Messenger settings, find the installation option. Click on Installation to access the integration setup. You will see various options for integrating Intercom with your website or application. Choose the method that fits your needs best. For web integration, select the Web option. To proceed, you'll need to copy the provided JavaScript code snippet. Open your website's code editor and locate the section where you want to add the Intercom script. Paste the Intercom JavaScript code just before the closing /body tag. Save your changes and publish your website. Next, return to the Intercom settings page and click on the API keys option. Here, you'll find your access token. Copy the access token for later use. If you are using a custom application, ensure your backend is set to interact with the Intercom API. Use the access token in your API requests to authenticate your app with Intercom. After setting up the API, test the integration by sending a sample message or event. Verify that the message appears in your Intercom dashboard. Adjust any settings based on your preferences for customer messaging. Finally, review the integration to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.